We will recognize John Bugarin. He is escorted this evening by his aunt Anna. He has participated in football for 4 years as a wide receiver. Upon graduation, his college choices are undecided. Next, we would like to recognize Melvin Fields. He is escorted this evening by his parents, Melvin and Thomasina Fields. He has participated in football for 3 years as a starter and defensive tackle. Upon graduation, he plans to attend USC, College of Charleston, or Coastal Carolina. Next, we'd like to recognize Jacob Lewis. He is escorted this evening by his mother, Carol Lewis. He has participated in football for 3 years as a right outside linebacker. Upon graduation, he plans to attend Newberry, USC, or Coastal Carolina. Next, we would like to recognize Alex McDonald. He is escorted this evening by his father and his mother, Mike and Susan. This is his first year participating in football as a tight end and defensive end. Upon graduation, he plans to attend the Citadel. Next, we'd like to recognize Weston Mott. This evening, he is escorted by his parents, Jim and Julie Bell, and Wendell Mott. He has participated in football for 3 years as a kicker. Upon graduation, his college choices include Clemson, University of Pennsylvania, UVA, and Furman. Next, we would like to recognize Chip Mullen. He is escorted this evening by his parents, George and Carmen Mullen. He has participated in football for 4 years as a wide receiver. Upon graduation, he plans to attend Appalachian State University. Next, we would like to recognize M.J. Simmons. He is escorted this evening by his father, Mark Simmons Sr., his mother, Tara Christopher, and his baby brother, Jarrell Simmons. He has participated in football for 4 years as a running back. Upon graduation, he hopes to attend Coastal Carolina University. Next, we'd like to recognize Lamond Williams. He is escorted this evening by Trellis Ansley, his mother. He has participated in football, and he has participated as a defensive back and linebacker. Upon graduation, he hopes to attend Harvard, Charleston Southern University, Newberry, or USC. Next, we'd like to recognize Raheem Williams. He is escorted this evening by LaRonda Williams, his mother. He has participated in football as a fullback, defensive tackle, quarterback, and defensive end. Upon graduation, he hopes to attend Coastal Carolina, Charleston Southern, and Newberry. That concludes our football seniors. Please give them a round of applause. Next, we'd like to recognize our senior band members. Our first senior band member is Mary Hannah Carroll. She is escorted this evening by her parents, David and Beth Carroll. She has participated in band for 4 years as a clarinetist and alto saxophonist. She is considering attending the USC School of Music upon graduation. Our next senior is Nick Evangelista. He is escorted this evening by his parents, Catherine and Nick Evangelista. He has participated in band for 4 years as a drum major and alto saxophonist. Upon graduation, he is considering attending the University of South Carolina Music School, music industry, or music education. Next, we have Ben Colbertus. He is escorted this evening by his parents, Jody and Frank Colbertus. He has participated in band for 4 years as a tenor saxophonist. Upon graduation, he hopes to enroll in computer science at the University of Utah. Next, we'd like to recognize Emily Tedesco. She's escorted this evening by her parents, Roger and Ellen Tedesco. She has participated in band for 4 years as a flutist and piccolo player. Upon graduation, she plans to attend the University of South Carolina. We'd next like to recognize Caroline Thie. She is escorted this evening by her mother, Christy Richardson. She has participated in band for 4 years as a clarinetist and tenor saxophonist. Upon graduation, she plans to attend Winthrop University. Next, we'd like to recognize Josue Urbina. He is escorted this night by his mother. He has participated in band for 4 years as an alto saxophonist, and upon graduation, he plans to attend Winthrop University. Our final band member is Barisi Velasquez. He is escorted this evening by his mother, Dora Velasquez. He has participated in band for 4 years as a trumpet player, a trombonist, a baritone player, and a tubist. Upon graduation, he hopes to attend USC. Please give a round of applause to our senior band members. Finally, we would like to recognize our senior cheerleaders. First is Molly Powell. This evening, she is escorted by her grandfather, Bubbles Halford. She has been a cheerleader for 3 years. Upon graduation, she plans to attend the College of Charleston, majoring in marine biology. Next, we have Mackenzie Spar. She is escorted this evening by her father, Eric Spar. She has been a cheerleader for 4 years and has also been cheerleading captain. Upon graduation, she plans to attend the Art Institute of Charleston, majoring in graphic design or fashion merchandising. And finally, we have Christana Stamp, escorted by Brooke Stamp. She has participated in cheerleading for 4 years, and upon graduation, she is considering attending USC or Coastal Carolina. Please give a round of applause to our senior cheerleaders. And that concludes Senior Night 2011. Please give a round of applause to all of our graduating football, band, and cheerleading seniors.
Oh, salty dog, oh, salty dog, you're sly as a fox, you salty dog. Captain Cherokee sitting in a tree, kiwi waving back at me. Honey, won't you be my salty dog? Oh, salty dog, oh, salty dog. Sly as a fox, you salty dog. Down the southeast, sitting by the dock, singing a song about a salty dog. Honey, won't you be my salty dog?
Evening, the band will be performing their 2011 show entitled Ascend, featuring the music of Jay Bocook and Samuel Hazo. Our trumpet soloist this evening is Adele McMullen. Drum major Nick Evangelista, is your band ready? Seahawk Marching Band.
They should be right here, I hope. Because I left them here. All right, what the hell happened to them? Oh, you took them. We're back here at the Salty Dog halftime show, and the cheerleaders giving us a welcoming cheer here, which is always appreciated here at WHHI. This will be the Bobcat cheerleaders. That's the Bobcats. You're watching the Salty Dog halftime show